Eva, and today I'm going to be making apple spiced muffins. I just wanted to say happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's doing very well and enjoying the lovely weather we're having in the UK. So let's get into it. So the ingredients you'll need are 225 grams of plain flour, 110 grams of caster sugar, finely chopped up apple. I've just put this in the food processor. This one is optional. Raisins. I've got about 100 grams of raisins. You don't have to put these in. And then got 150 grams of milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. 90 grams of oil. That is sunflower oil I'm using. 1 egg. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's go into the baking. So now we are going to, first thing we're going to do is grab our mixing bowl and a sieve. I'm going to sieve in our flour, spices, so our nutmeg, and our cinnamon, and our baking powder. All you're going to do is just sieve this into the bowl. Okay, put that to the side. Put our mixing bowl to the side, and we're going to grab another bowl. So I've just grabbed another little bowl, and we're going to grab our egg, crack it. So I just cracked the egg into the bowl, and now all we're going to do is whisk it. So that's done, and now we're going to put in the sugar, all of the chopped apple, the milk, and the oil. I'm just going to use a whisk and just mix this up as well. So these is now done, and we're going to pop this to the side. I just went ahead and grabbed my mixer, and we're going to grab our dry ingredients, and we're going to put this under. I'm going to put all of the wet mixture into the dry. And we're going to start mixing, start on a medium speed, otherwise all the wet mixture is going to come flying up in your face. So the mixture has now finished, and we're just going to put it up, and I'm going to add in the raisins. I've got raisins and sultanas in this one, and we're going to put that down, and all we're going to do is mix this on a medium speed. So the mixture is now done. I just grabbed my 2 spoons, and I grabbed a tray full of the cupcake cases. I'm going to take our bowl out, move that to the side, and we're going to start putting the mixture into the cupcake cases. Now all of the mixture are in the muffins. We are going to put it into the oven for 25 minutes. So this is what they look like now. They've just come out of the oven, and they are nice and golden on the top, and that's what they should look like. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I just think this is one of my favourite recipes. It's so nice, and like I said before, the carrot muffins are so like these, so I think you should go check that recipe out just before. So thank you, stay safe, and bye.